Hey, Zach, is this going? Is it going?
Did we say go?
Hey, is this going?
Yeah, we started.
Yeah, you're recording.
Alright, thank you.
7, hold on, wait. 10, 11,
Alright.
13,
Alright.
15, 18. I think you're good. Where are you going?
Where am I going? I don't know. What are we doing? What are we playing? I know that. What are we playing? Austin, Zach, come on. All right. Yes, I am a bitch. Sarah's bitch.
So you whipped.
I am not whipped.
So it's like.
Uh oh. What?
I hate this. What the fuck? What are we even doing this money for?
I don't know.
I'm literally just gonna pop and squat right here.
I feel like I'm gonna fall in the water. I'm gonna. I would shit myself. Yeah, that I would go. Oh,
Here, let me hold your gun.
Yeah,
so
hold.
you can get that.
Oh, I was unsafe. The fuck? I don't. I was. Safety.
Yo, what was it growing over there?
I don't know. What does it look like?
It's literally green.
Marijuana? Probably tomatoes. Corn?
They don't grow corn down here.
You know?
I don't think so.
Let me see. Apples aren't that small. Apples come from trees.
What?
Oh! This.
Hey, you can move forward a lot.
Is that another snake? No. Fuck you. You're like my mother. Did my mom talk to you before we came here? Did my mom talk to you before we came here? Because my mom would have said no.
I mean, you said you already have 4 fucking.
Yeah, I do have 4. Actually, I kind of want to get rid of my 2 red rats. And just keep my python and boa. You just touched my bum. Austin's going up right side. What? I see one. Actually, I don't feel like shooting because I don't. What's in my pocket? Left side slit. So there's clicks now. Oh, left side bushes. Yeah, it's Austin, I think. I see a guy. I don't want to give the sniper our position away though. Way out there. He's wearing white with a vest. Over there.
Where's there?
There.
I think he said you have a small clip.
Isn't that a good thing?
Hello?
That wasn't me. I don't know who it was. I wasn't looking. Hey, there goes Austin, legging it. Fucking pansy. Oh, getting shot at. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that guy, the nipple guy.
Yeah, that's my brother.
Oh, can we hit him in the nipples?
You got him? I'll be damned, honest soldier.
You got him?
Yo, someone smoking something.
Oh, yeah.
Smells good.
Yo, I'm so sorry if I had to fart.
Oh, it's some burnt my foot.
Exactly, that's what I said. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, I got gum.
You get caught.
Yeah, I got gum in my pocket.
Let me hit that.
No, over there.
Oh.
Yo, what the fuck is going on?
If you hit him, why isn't he out?
Oh, you still see him?
Yeah, I can see.
You're doing like acrobatic crap over here. Yeah, I got to. Surprised you're not like hanging from that tree upside down.
Is he gone?
I'm gonna get shot right in the middle. I got to.
I th-
Go up for a couple seconds. One more with an AK.
Ow, that stick just hit me in the face. Oh, I see him. Can I shoot at him? You got hit?
No, but he's gonna be behind us too.
Oh, hi, Austin.
Could we cut through here and then meet him right there? Would that be too busy?
I don't know.
I'll show him my phone. Oh, I see the ref. I see the ref.
Whoa. Austin, you wanna go?
I see him.
Austin, you wanna go around? You wanna go around right? Alright, I'm coming. I think Rabbit has this side good enough. Yeah. He's already gotten 2.
The only one I'm really scared about on that team is the
We're
kid with the
this side.
antenna.
Yeah, I know. There goes my pistol. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, my pistol got caught in a tree. I thank you for not shooting at us. Oh, he's shooting at me. Should I go with the pistol? Huh? Alright. Yeah. You gonna go? I got him. It's fucking windy. I need like 30s with this gun. Hey, he's free firing like a bitch. What? Shh. Just go. It's on auto.
Guys, get ready to move. I want you to all move forward. 3,
Me? 2?
2, 1, go. Move forward, go.
Should I go? Should I?
Hang on to me.
Austin, you're lucky I just checked your mag. You wouldn't have shot.
You want your gun back?
Yeah.
Make it seem like you weren't coming. Yeah, I got one guy.
Hey, right there, right there, right there. Right, straight across.
Okay. Sorry.
Got him.
Alright, there's a guy that moved just right here. Right here.
Where at? I can't see because it's sawgrass.
He went behind the building.
All right.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
You want to run over with a pistol? I got a pistol too. We all got pistols. I'm leaving this here. We're not coming from maze.